The diagonal of a rectangle divides the rectangle into two congruent right triangles. Since the diagonal is the hypotenuse of each of these right triangles, the Pythagorean theorem gives us a superscript 2 plus b superscript 2 equals square root 20 superscript 2, or a superscript 2 plus b superscript 2 equals 20, where a and b are the length and width of the rectangle, respectively. Since ABCD is a rectangle, the area is AB. Since the area is a product of two sides, the area will be a factor of 20. Of the choices, 10 is the only factor of 20, and the area of the rectangle is AB equals 2, 5 equals 10. The equation \log_28 equals x is equivalent to 2 to the power of x equals 8. Since 2 superscript 3 equals 8, the value of x is 3. To find the value of f(5), we substitute 5 for x in the given function, f(5) equals 2, 5, 3 is equal to 10, 3 is equal to 7. The triangle is a right triangle with a base of length 3 and a height of length 4. The area of a triangle is given by 1/2 * base * height. Therefore, the area of this triangle is 1/2 * 3 times 4 is equal to 6. A function is undefined when the denominator is equal to 0. The denominator of the given function, x plus 2, is equal to 0 when x equals minus 2. Therefore, f(x) is undefined for x equals minus 2. To solve for x, we subtract 3 from both sides of the equation x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 7, 3. This gives us x equals 4. Draw a diagram of the circle with the chord and the radius. The distance from the center of the circle to the chord is the perpendicular distance from the center to the chord. This perpendicular line bisects the chord. The two halves of the chord, the radius, and the perpendicular distance form a right triangle with the radius as the hypotenuse. The Pythagorean theorem tells us that, or. Thus, the distance from the center of the circle to the chord is 3 units. We can solve this system of equations by elimination. Adding the two equations together, we get 4x equals 16. Dividing both sides by 4, we find that x equals 4. To solve for x, we add 3 to both sides of the equation. 2x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 15 plus 3. This gives us 2x equals 18. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equals 9. The area of a circle is given by the formula a equals pi r superscript 2, where r is the radius of the circle. Substituting 5 for r gives us a equals pi, 5, superscript 2 equals 25 pi. The expression x superscript 2x plus 1 is a perfect square trinomial, which can be factored as x1 superscript 2. This is because the first term is the square of x, the last term is the square of 1, and the middle term is twice the product of x and 1. To find f3, we substitute 3 for x in the function f3 equals 3 superscript 2 4/3 2 equals 9 4/1 equals 5.